My lab uses microscopes to watch living embryos develop. And I think every time I look through a microscope at a living embryo, I'm really blown away by the intricacy of all of those processes. And we have had some exciting results recently in our lab um, that have told us some things about how embryos develop and the kinds of proteins they use to do what they do. And being able to see these proteins glowing in living embryos using a special kind of microscope has been really exciting. And I just never get tired of doing that. Looking at those kinds of embryos, it's really a privilege and something that makes me excited to wake up in the morning and go to work.